You've had your initial consultation and booked a proposal appointment in our showroom. You might be wondering, what in the world have I got myself into? Hi, I'm Travis. Today I'm going to walk you through what to expect at our proposal appointment with JSB Home Solutions. We will cover what we will accomplish at this appointment, how long it takes, and how to be prepared for it so that you can look forward to your experience in our showroom. The ultimate goal of the proposal appointment is for you to have a clear picture of how JSB can turn your dream into reality. Let's dive in. So, what exactly happens at your proposal appointment? Well, there are three main tasks we'll tackle. First, we'll review the materials suggested by your design consultant. Based on your initial consultation, they've chosen items that match your style and budget. You get to see and feel these materials up close. If you love them, great. If not, we can explore other options in our showroom. Next, we'll make any necessary adjustments. Our showroom is stocked with a wide variety of styles, colors, and materials. If you find something that fits your vision better, you can swap it in. The goal here is to finalize all your material selections. Once we've made all the adjustments, your design consultant will update the proposal and present you with a final contract. This contract will include all the details of your remodel project and the exact price. You might be wondering, how long does this proposal appointment take? Typically, it lasts between 60 to 90 minutes. Our showroom can be an exciting place to explore, even looking at projects other than what you're there for. Your design consultant will help keep you on task to complete all the steps in this amount of time. Then you can explore to your heart's content. Now let's address a common concern. Will you be pressured to buy at the proposal appointment? Absolutely not. High-pressure sales just don't align with our values. We want you to feel comfortable and confident in your decision. That being said, many homeowners do choose to purchase at this stage because it locks in their installation date. Speaking of which, is there a benefit to buying at the proposal appointment? Yes. Securing your spot in our installation schedule means your remodel project can be completed sooner. So, bring your preferred method of payment, whether that's a check or a credit card for a 30% deposit, or IDs for financing information. Why is the proposal appointment so special? Well, this is where your remodel vision truly comes to life. You'll see the pieces come together and start imagining yourself in a brand new space. To prepare for your appointment, make sure you read and watch the proposal that your design consultant will send you in a few days. You can also check out our Learning Center, linked in the description for more resources. Choose products or style and design to learn more about the materials we use and creating the perfect look for your space. If you have any questions, you can call into the office or reach out to your design consultant. We're honored every time someone trusts us with their home and look forward to sharing our passion for remodeling with you.